my beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're seeing my face for the very first time, you are welcome. Okay, so are you having roughness around your hands? Your hands is actually not looking beautiful, and your hands is looking old, wrinkled, dry, and is actually not looking soft. You can see how my hand is. I scrub my hands every week. So I have a natural remedy for you, okay, that would give you that soft and baby looking hands. So if you want to know what it is, to continue watching, and please share this video, thumbs up, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the bell beside the subscribe button, okay, so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Drop your curious questions on my website. The link will be at my comment section. Let's go and see. Now, to remove wrinkles from hands and fingers, we're going to be making use of tomato. Now, because tomato contains a lightening property and it also helps to remove wrinkles and fine lines, it will therefore be perfect in removing wrinkles from hands, fingers, and it's going to leave your hands looking baby soft and glowing. Alright, to start with, I'm gonna be creating the tomato. Alright, so you can swap blend yours, guys. For now, I just don't want to blend, I want to create it. Okay, so I'm gonna be needing just a little piece of that, and this quantity is gonna be perfect for my treatment. So I'm gonna be transferring that into this transparent bowl. Okay, and also we're going to be making use of yogurt. Now, yogurt contains a lactic acid in it, which helps to remove the buildup of scars, and it also helps to remove wrinkles. It closes up large and open pores. It's going to be perfect in removing wrinkles from hands and fingers. Then I'm going to be putting in 1 tablespoon of yogurt. So the next one we're going to be making use of is going to be pure gram flour, and it's also called basing. Okay, so gram flour is a great ingredient that helps to polish up the skin. It therefore helps to leave the skin looking supple and soft. It removes wrinkles, fine lines, and pigmentations. Half tablespoon of pure gram flour, and also we're going to be making use of bicarbonate of soda, which is baking soda. Now, baking soda is a great remedy and a recipe that helps your skin glow. It therefore helps to remove pigmentations, wrinkles, and fine lines, and it will also help to clear up the skin. And half tablespoon of bicarbonate of soda. Now, this 4 ingredients is basically to get a younger looking hands. And now we're just going to stir and mix really well. Okay, now the baking soda is gonna be looking somewhat foamy, just like this. Well, it's gonna go down, guys. Alright, guys, so after you've mix all of this, you're going to apply it on your hands. Okay, you apply it on your hands generously. Make sure it touches everywhere. Okay, and then you use the other hand to apply on the right side. Now you guys notice that the right hand usually looks a little different than the left hand. The left hand usually looks a little more beautiful than the right hand, obviously because the right hand is always washing the left hand very well. Anyway, so you're just going to apply this also on your palm. Okay, and then you scrub. Okay, it's just going to help to make your palm really soft. Okay, you scrub your hands together and scrub it really well. Now you scrub for about 1 to 2-3 minutes. That's basically what you'll be needing. Alright, so after you scrub this very well, just like this, and then you leave it on your hands for it to actually soften your hand and your fingers. Okay, it will actually soften your hands, remove all the wrinkles. You're going to be surprised when you wash your hand and you see how your hands is going to be with this treatment. Okay, so I'm going to go wash my hands. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so for this treatment you have to store it for a couple of days, and then you use it for like 4 days guys. Now after 4 days your hand is going to be looking really changed. Your hand is going to be looking really young. You can see how my hands is. My palm is usually very soft. Okay, you make use of coconut oil, just 2 drops of the coconut oil, and then you rub it over your hands like this. Scrub all of the dead skin cells off those beautiful looking hands, and it's just going to reveal a brighter and a fairer and a more beautiful vibrant skin, and you are going to be having your results. So if you did love the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and thumbs up this video. Also please share the video, turn on the bell beside the subscribe button, okay, so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions you want to ask me, drop them at my website. The link will be at my comment section. Alright, I'll see you soon in my next video, and don't forget to stay beautiful, and bye guys.